This is a simple tutorial on how to replace the piano black middle console with the Alcantara one from Overland Designs. I made some mistakes in the process, which I'll address, but the general steps are all laid out in this video. I'm not an expert, so I just learned as I went along, so I encourage you to take your time. The first step is to remove the shift knob. Hold the ring on the shifter boot and pull down. I used a 15mm wrench to loosen the lock and turning it clockwise. Once loosened, you can unscrew the shift knob and remove the lock. Next step is to remove the stock middle console. I find that simply lifting it little by little, working your way from the bottom, works. This will require a significant amount of force, but the clips should release with no problem. Once you lift the console, you'll see two connectors here. Remove them by simply pressing the tab and pull. Do not attempt to remove this plastic clip yet. You can only access it once you remove the switch. There should be 4 screws that hold the switch assembly. Remove those first so you can completely take the middle console out, then proceed to remove the rest of the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. I attempted to remove all of the screws at once, which made it a lot more difficult for me since the console was still connected. Once you remove the switch assembly, you should see the plastic clip right here. I used a small screwdriver to poke the sides to release it. The next step is to remove the shift boot and the silver trim around it. The shift boot is held together by a series of tabs. Locate the 2 tabs right next to each other, a black and silver one, and squeeze. Once you release that side, the rest of the tabs should be easier to remove, but be careful not to break them. The tabs on the silver trim were harder for me to remove. I used a small plastic prying tool to help release them. Now place your silver trim on top of your new console and apply enough pressure for it to lock into place. Position your shift boot, apply pressure, and use the 4 screws to secure it in place. Reinstall the switch assembly using the same screws you removed earlier. Take time when doing this and make sure that the screws are tight enough to avoid any gaps. Because of the extra padding of the Alcantara, the switches will feel a tad bit more recessed. Before you put the plastic clip back, reattach the 2 connectors first. Line up the console and apply pressure, working your way around until all the clips lock into place. Reinstall the lock and shift knob and pull the shift boot back up. Be aware that this particular product has a slight odor that might be due to the glue. Not really sure, so I had to air out my vehicle and added an air freshener until the odor went away. Enjoy your new console and say goodbye to Piano Black.